What's going on, everybody? Just want to make this little video. Truck's making a noise. It's like kind of a grind, squeal noise. You can really feel it in the steering. I assume it's going to be that power steering fluid is low. I just want to make this little video in case anyone else kind of want to know what the noise is or symptoms was of this. I'm going to go ahead and start my truck, see if I can get the noises. Turn off my radio and turn off the heat so we can hopefully hear real good. Give it a second here. Not sure if you guys can hear that. It's a grind when I steer. And also I'd noticed, you know, the longer I'm driving, it's kind of idling like this anyway. I'm slowly backing up. It does want to get better. It's normally when you first start it, and then long term when you're going, you know, going on the highway or whatever, I don't hear it, but when you slow down and go on a corner, you know, it really wants to grind. There, it's making it a little bit again. Hopefully you can hear that on there. It's like a noise when you go to turn. I'll go forward again. Hopefully I can get it. There it is. I have to turn up your volume to really hear it, but I can feel it too. So let's go check the power steering fluid, and I bet it's most likely the problem. Went ahead and got my power steering fluid, and my wife picked it up at Walmart earlier. I'm pretty sure that's my problem. Here, in my case, power steering fluid right here. Take this off, see what it looks like. So I can see just by pulling it out here, it's been dry up there for quite a while. I'll wipe it off and put it back in there. Yeah, it's definitely low for sure. Pretty low. Go ahead and open this up. I'm gonna dump it in there. A little bit in. I'm gonna check my level. There's a little fill line on it. You can see where it's gonna take quite a bit. This bottle may not even be enough, but it'll get me by for a little bit. Here, trying to get to that fill line. Put a little bit more in. See where we're getting to now. We are now full. Looks like we're right at the fill line now. I'll start my truck and move the steering a little bit, start getting it through the lines and everything, and we should be good to go. I'm back in. Back up down the driveway like I did a minute ago. See if I can get that working to the lines of my truck. The steering's definitely easier than it was a little bit ago. It wasn't by means any harder earlier, but definitely wasn't quite as easy as it is normally. Come back here, I'm gonna turn. See if I can get it to do any type of squeaking at all. Absolutely no more grind at all. Nothing. So that, in this case, appeared to be the problem. Hopefully you guys could have been able to turn up your volume. Probably need to heard the noise earlier, but it is kind of like a grind noise, you know, when you turn and stuff. You definitely be able to sense that it's in your steering, some type of steering issue. But that's it for this video. Hopefully it helped you out somewhat. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later. Bye-bye.